Hello, my name is Rhonda Sepulveda, and I just got my first Pop in a Box subscription, so I'm going to open it and see what I have. So I got Hank, the Septopus from Finding Dory, which is neat because I just saw that movie a couple weeks ago. So now I'm going to open it, take him out. And there he is. This is cute. He's even got the little coffee container that he got in the movie. He's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. He has 7 tentacles. And they all have, I don't know if you can see it very well, but they have the suction cups. And he's got, you can tell he's kind of grumpy looking face. And he looks pretty good. Yeah. And I'd say he's a really good one.